Here's how to recover lost access to Microsoft Authenticator app if you've lost access to the app. I'll cover a few different methods you can try. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app and tap Add Personal Account at the bottom of the screen. If you remember the email address connected to your Microsoft account, enter it and tap Next. If you know your password, enter it when prompted. If you've forgotten it, select Forgot Password instead. Microsoft may then ask you to provide a different verification method, such as send code to your Authenticator app or send code to your registered phone number. Now, if you have access to any of these methods, you can then use the available verification method to regain access to your account and set up Authenticator again. If that doesn't resolve the problem, return to the Authenticator app and check your iPhone's iCloud settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your Apple account name at the top of the screen. Then select iCloud. Under the option for saving data to iCloud, tap See All. Scroll through the list and make sure iCloud Drive is enabled. Return to the previous iCloud screen and check that Microsoft Authenticator is also enabled. Once you've confirmed these settings, open the Authenticator app again and check whether your account has been restored. If you've tried these methods and still can't access your Microsoft account, open a web browser and search for Microsoft Account Recovery Form. Then open the official Microsoft Recovery page from the search results. Scroll down the page and select the Account Recovery Form option. Enter the previous email address associated with your Microsoft account. You'll also need to provide a different email address where Microsoft can contact you. Complete the recovery form with as much accurate information as possible and follow the instructions provided by Microsoft. Once your account has been successfully recovered, you should be able to regain access to your Microsoft account and set up Microsoft Authenticator again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.